Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abena and this is Abena Cooks. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. You are welcome to this beautiful family. If you're an OG, I love you. It's Tuesday and I see you to another exciting episode on my channel. I know how we're doing it. Today we are cooking. Probably I'll pause with the cooking for a while. Then we talk about real life stuff, but till then we're cooking. Anyway, today we're making chicken stew. Are you ready? Let's get to the kitchen. Getting ready. We have our chicken. My tomato paste, my salt, my ground nutmeg, my adobo, my rosemary, my badia complete seasoning. Hey, my curry powder and all that. So guys, one secret: always wash your chicken with hot water. In my next video, I'll tell you why. But for now, let's just keep to this. Okay, I'm spicing it up. What is added to the chicken there is blended basil, ginger, garlic, and onions. So here I'm adding my Maggi spice, my Remy chicken spice, my adobo, my badia complete seasoning, and then my salt. Please don't say you're adding Remy so you won't add salt. Salt is very, very important. Please add your salt. Then we have pepper, green bell pepper or green pepper, our garlic, just a finger of ginger. I don't know if I said that right, but then just a small quantity of ginger. So I actually blended what I had there without my rosemary, so I had to add it back and then blend it again, because guess what, rosemary smells good and it makes your food smell good, and it has a lot of health benefits as well. As you can see, our chicken is almost ready. Now I'm dicing my fresh tomatoes. I deal with a large size family, so I have to make this in a quantity that would at least last for 2 days. So let's blend our fresh tomatoes. Once that is done, I need to slice my onions and get them ready for my stew. So our chicken is done. Then I'll transfer it into a bowl because I'll be using my stock. Please do not discard your stock. The stock is needed. In fact, it is a need. Now this is what I do with my stock. I mix my tomato paste with my stock. You don't want to make your stew so spicy that you need so much spices. So once you have all those ingredients in the stock, you just mix it with it and then you add it to your stew. Now let's fry our chicken. One secret I learned from my big sister is frying chicken with onions. Someone may ask why. It makes your chicken very crunchy. Try it and thank me later. Now let's start off with our stew. So I added my oil, my chopped onions, and then that is my pepper mixture. See how our chicken looks. Oh my god. Now let's get back here. I'll add my nutmeg because not everyone loves the smell of nutmeg, or some people actually don't like the taste. So when you add it to the very beginning, the smell diminishes with the increase in time. So I add my nutmeg and then my salt to the pepper mix. Then I add my blended fresh tomatoes and I leave it for it to boil so the water is removed. Then I add my stock mixed with my tomato paste. Then you stir. You want to be careful so you don't hurt yourself. And let's add our onga, mama's helping hand. Lele. Some black pepper. Guys, I'll tell you a story. When I was in class 3, that was when onga had come. I bugged my mom that I wanted onga, and I fell down going to buy it, so that one day or it left my inside. Then I'm adding my curry powder because you know what? Curry smells so good. The last thing I'm adding here is my bay leaf mixture. Look at that. Now you can see our stew is moist enough. And then I'd like to take away yam and some avocado. Guys, it's actually a very, very serious thing. The way I felt that day, like I'll never forget it. Because hunger had come. You're not meant to be. Forget it. Because hunger had come, I just liked the animation on hunger keke. My mom still laughs at me till now. But anyway, that was just by the way. Thank you so much for staying with Abena Cooks. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And let's get moving with Abena Cooks. So I'll see you same time next week. Until then, stay blessed, be you, pray. I'll see you next week.